Hi everyone, welcome to SK Maths Academy. So today's topic is nothing but straight lines, foot of the perpendicular theorem. Okay, so this is also most important for long question and short question also will be there. అంటే ఈ ఫుట్ ఆఫ్ ది పర్పెండిక్యులర్ అండ్ ఇమేజ్ థియరంలోకి వెళ్ళి ఒక థియరం రావచ్చు, లేదంటే వీటి మీద డిపెండ్ అయిన ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కూడా మనకి షార్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ రూపంలో రావచ్చు. ఓకే స్టూడెంట్స్, హియర్ సో see here, first of all I will prove foot of the perpendicular theorem. Now see here, let us start the class. So before going to starting the class, I request to all, please like, share and subscribe to our channel also. Okay students, now let us start the class. See here, foot of the perpendicular theorem. See here, if q of h comma k be the foot of the perpendicular from p of x1 comma y1 on the straight line ax plus by plus c equals 0, then show that h minus x1 by a that equals to k minus y1 by b that equals to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by a square plus b square. Okay na? So see here, first of all we will take here given points I will write now. So given straight line this is, and p be the one point, any point on this plane, and foot of the perpendicular also given here, that is q of h comma k. So these 3 points are main points here. Okay na? So I will take here line. So this is ax plus by plus c equals to 0 be the line, straight line. Okay na? And foot of the perpendicular from the point p. So let us take p be the point on this plane. So p of x comma y, x1 comma y1 be the point. From this point and foot of the perpendicular means here foot is nothing but lies on this line here. Okay na? So like this here. So this is point q, h comma k, h comma k. Okay na? So these are the given points here. So straight line equation also given here. Straight line is nothing but this is this line. This is ax plus by plus c equals 0, and q of h comma k be the foot of the perpendicular from the point p of x1 comma y1. Okay na? So these are the given points here. So then what we prove here, h minus x1 by a that equals k minus y1 by b that equals to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by ax square plus bx square. So ax square plus b square we have prove here. Okay na? Now solve. Solution is like see here. What are the given points here? Given line, given that ax plus by plus c equals to 0 be the straight line. Okay na? So what is the slope of this line here? Slope of line is, let us take m1 that equals to minus a by b, minus a by b, the minus x coefficient by y coefficient. Okay na? So I will write here like minus x coefficient divided by y coefficient. So that implies m equals to what we get here, minus a by b, minus a by b we got here. Okay na? So let us take m1 this is. Okay na? So see here, by using these 2 points, what are the points here? P of x1 comma y1 and q of h comma k. So these are the 2 points here. Slope of pq also we find out here. Okay na? Slope of pq is, let us take m2. Okay, already m1 we taken here, that is nothing but slope of this line. Now another line also there, that is nothing but pq passing to the points p and q. So we have to take here, we know the slope of 2 points here. What we had now? y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, that is nothing but k minus y1, k minus y1 divided by h minus x1, h minus x1. So this is also second slope, this is first slope. Okay na? Now see here, observe this one here, both are perpendicular here. So this is perpendicular to PQ. Clear? So that here the line, the straight line AX plus BY plus C equals 0 is perpendicular to PQ. Perpendicular to PQ. So when two lines are perpendicular, then the product of that two slopes here. Clear? So అంటే వీటి యొక్క ప్రోడక్ట్ అనేది -1 కి ఈక్వల్ అవుతుంది కదా. సో దట్ m1 dot m2 equals to -1. m1 dot m2 equals to -1. So what is m1? Minus a by b dot k minus y1 divided by h minus x1 equals to -1. Okay na? So minus both are cancelled. So we get here a of k minus y1 divide equals to b of h minus x1. Okay na? A of k minus y1 here numerator and denominator value, this is take the side, we get 1 into this one. Okay na? ఇలా వచ్చిన తర్వాత ఏం చేయాలంటే మనకు h minus x1 by a ఉంది కాబట్టి so here a take that side and b take this side. What we get is multiplying this way, take this side, dividing that one. Okay na? అంతేనా? So k minus y1 by b that equals to h minus x1 by a we get here. h minus x1 by a equals to k minus y1 by b we got here. అంటే ఈ రెండు వాల్యూస్ మనకు వచ్చేసినాయి ఆల్రెడీ. సో లెట్ us take that equals to some value r. This is equation number 3. Okay na? K minus y1 by b that equals to h minus x1 by a equals to r we take here. Okay na? So r we say. This is equation number 3. So when we are equal to some value, then we write now k minus y1 by b equals to r and h minus x1 by a equals to also r. Right. So k minus y1 equals to br. Here h minus x1 equals to ar. Okay. So that implies here I will write here. That implies k value I will write now. K equals to minus y1 take that side plus y1. So y1 plus br we get here. And h equals to x1 plus ar we get here. x1 take that side here. Minus x1 is there. So take that side we get here plus x1. We got here h and k. So h comma k that equals to x1 plus ar. y1 plus br we got here. Okay na? Right? So observe this one here, h comma k lies on this line also. So h comma k lies on ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Then foot of the perpendicular from the point p, but here that line lies on this line here. The point lies on this line. And then the q of h comma k lies on ax plus by plus c equals 0. So that's why we substitute here satisfying the equation. So that here a of, in place of x we substitute here x1 plus ar. Why? Because here h comma k lies on this one. అంటే x వాల్యూ h కి ఈక్వల్ అవుతుంది, y వాల్యూ k కి ఈక్వల్ అవుతుంది, సాటిస్ఫై చేస్తుంది. కాబట్టి x వాల్యూలో ఏముంది మనకు x1 ప్లస్ ar అంతేనా, h వాల్యూ వి సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ హియర్ ప్లస్ b of y1 plus br plus c equals to 0 we get here. Okay na? So now what we write now, ax1 plus a square r we get here, by1 plus b square r plus c equals to 0. Okay, so now we write now ax1 plus by1 plus c. So remaining values here a square r plus b square r equals to 0. Okay na? So now a square r plus b square r equals to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c. Okay na? So taking common r, what we get here, a square plus b square that equals to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c. So r equals what we get here? Minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by a square plus b square. A square plus b square. Okay now. So now we got here r value. So what is r value? Minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by a square plus b square. So already from equation number 3 we have to say here r value. So we substitute here in equation 3. On substituting in equation 3, so what we get here? We get here h minus x1 by a, k minus y1 by b, that equals to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by a square plus b square. Hence proved. See here, okay na? See here, h minus x1 by a equals to k minus y1 by b, that equals to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by a square plus b square we got here. Okay students here. So this is foot of the perpendicular theorem. Okay students.